Welcome back to the Dave's Cooking Show Christmas Spectacular. That's videos every day till Christmas Day at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell notification so you know when I go live when I review other people's cooking videos. All right, today we have the Revolver. It's a real simple, easy cocktail to make, perfect for any Christmas party. As you can see, to a shaker, I added 4 ounces of bourbon, 1 ounce of your favorite coffee liqueur, and about 4 dashes of orange bitters. And then pop the top on and give it a good shake. And then just grab a rocks glass with some ice, pour the drink in, and that's that. The Revolver. Done.